Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
I disagree with the president on one score. And when they said time I lifted lockdown, me a coming quadia, nanke say extending the kakra. Because, Chairman, now we were still in the woods. Now we hadn't broken the chain of spread, no. Until we needed some more time at home. Especially in the affected areas. No, Senebeya, you bet me enhanced surveillance. Now, yet contact tracing new year, so that you bet me, even say antimia break kitchen no crowd, we would have succeeded somewhat in reducing the rate of spread. No, until me, I was expecting say we would have some extension and I'll be bisa. Unfortunately, Ankobansa. And Nuntina says here we tend to be seeing a spike in the numbers. No, media it was to be expected because we shared the timer. We called off the lockdown. No, now timer call it off. Sir, lockdown. No, now the numbers were rising steadily. In fact, the rate of growth, no, it was growing but at a slower pace. And it was growing economies base here, but at a decreasing rate. Na but na kwaya and rate and na endorse sa. But they say the growth is beginning to be exponential. Enunti na ebimo eka say cases no shuti bebrebe no. But media, this is my view. Adi see pandemic curves, no. They are non-linear. What that means is Ebekoa kodru pempensubi nafi a starti eba form. And that it is normal with pandemics. That the curves of pandemics nina non-linear. Sanity normal. But near minka say even though the increases in the cases no welcome news. But near shamin crying say the rate of death form kakra. But I made the point somewhere said even if the rate of death infinitesimal shock said them cry idea say harding because human life you can't quantify it. But sebi would the young case edit to other countries who are you is reassuring kakra even though even one life lost idea harding but we share the number of cases and the recovery rate no so. That's even where my excitement lies. Say, kwanya yefaso amanfo mo yare no the way a omo ho eto mo no edoso and the way a sabi numbers are omo wuo no so ewo form kakra ewo form bebre mpo enya kakra which tells we say numbers no betimi akosoro but there's no cause for alarm at this point. And media I feel say it is because we lifted the lockdown way too early. And until our cases, confirmed cases, no air cosro.
And you feel say Tumukakra.
And say Tumukakra. And Ghana for Sebi, attitude. Chama him say, the Ghanaian attitude is terrible in every sector. Bad health, attitude is bad. Sanitation, attitude is bad. Governance, attitude is bad. Adiwe I lifty a lockdown. No. The president was very clear. Say even though you are lifted, but let's continue to observe the protocols. Chema oko say Clara beho. There is no regard for social distancing. Obi amfasa ade ni nyedwuma. Nti eno an say yeah this sign who sa we are just spreading it like sebi you know san echo because the way we interact are the very nature of our homes, you know. Any social relationships, you know, such that we tend to get close to one another. Until say amount for funny fa obuo ma protocols na you are likely to get the outcomes and like I said, even though the cases are increasing, but the reassuring news is say recovery is no so kosro and the rate of death no so slow kakra and Niamatia so ne say sebi nkrofo a omo afa COVID-19 so ehwe omo nkwa no it is largely because some of them had preconditions. Now underlying conditions be what to say na nipa no was hypertensive and diabetic and IBB. Until COVID no become one na ma a critical.
Yeah.
But people without underlying conditions, they are responding favorably to treatment. Until a reassuring news. But we so and say man by nature was not designed to obey, like to do that which is naturally good. There is nothing like natural goodness of man. Until na yewa mrano, until na yewa enforcers and enforcement. Until media, even though you are lifting lockdown or during the lockdown, na bambo for ewo hot to ensure say a man for this hard no. I feel say even after lifting our lockdown, there should be some arrangement to ensure say social distancing, maybe wearing of nose masks and there should be some arrangement to ensure say you enforce this and and no na ebetimi are reduce the extent the steepness of the curve ya sana will continue to have a steep curve and yen to me who at what point na ebe drew pempensona for it to start flattening. It is when we begin to enforce some of these protocols then we can begin to reduce the rate of growth we are likely to get to threshold point now. We'll begin to have a downward trend and a flattening of the curve. But if we don't enforce this, ubenwana adino kwane bekosro and niye say yetimi edru sa pempenswon ntem so that we can begin to flatten the curve. Intimini CDD for ya adwin say flatten the curve now sounds more like an impossibility.
It's a drew.
And I'm can say it sounds like a difficulty, not an impossibility to, but a bad thing. In the absence of enforcement of the observance of these protocols, a bad thing say you better start a flatten curve at this point. And if you want to be pragmatic, you cannot but come to the conclusion say we cannot flatten the curve at this point without enforcing SAR protocols. But like I said, as a hydroxychloroquine, and the rate of recovery is encouraging. And I will share statistics who say those responding well to treatment almost those who 2-3 now critical conditions which as we say is within it's tractable. I idea able to manage it. Na mamim fakwan na membo exim back and a true abaya baso for recognizing say we can produce some of the things we need to deal with this locally beyond producing of nose masks locally in this annual you see pharmaceutical company be are buying through Exim Bank almost $5 million Tobingo entrance the entrance pharmaceutical company more $5 million to help in the production of hydroxychloroquine Chairman, this is the way to go. We share economies that have gone through recession, and mind you, pandemic is likely to occasion recession to a lot of countries. A lot of economies are going to go through recession. Until near Ebimu and say they are taking preemptive measures to ensure say recession doesn't follow after you can say pandemic. And one of the things I say they invest in areas demand consumer demand you invest in such sectors now produce a man for better and all of that. But other areas demand from invest you cannot get the kind of returns may boost economic activity and therefore prevent your output from declining and your GDP from declining. Eventually a recession the subprime mortgage crisis and a financial crisis of 2007-2008 America for who say sectors be ebema amount for atonioma amount for demand bekosro and all of that. Instead of investing in housing na ehua ba sema oto ayentono, they decided to invest in other areas ebetimi ama economic activity apeja. And say say pharmaceutical industry sika would be shemu bia you get the returns you need. Economic activity in that, but exactly. And especially so says here you who say a drop you ha once you help in the production of sardino ube who say demand for sa a drone be kosro say any individual squad better aban better nose masks say the demand for it any sanitizers for example and the pharmaceutical industry no discussion more I mean the economic activity be cost because you do production people will buy demand in that sector be cost na say for and for me some anticipatory measures are buying a take first to make sure say young crop for and Ghana for don't die unnecessarily from COVID no and that there are some mitigating measures in the process no Abansu is also thinking beyond the immediate omonim say pandemic the recession ebeba because value chains are disrupted until where production is affected consumer demand is low unemployment is rising my say and not to put say my company on the spot Marty say you are laying off workers no, multimedia has laid off workers
layoff
okay but it's in the pipeline oh chairman I mean every business beer in these times if you want to stay in business there's no way you can maintain your workforce your full workforce because the way a man for you are selling services chairman you know mutomu services number no swati bebe na say omunye adwuma no ma beto mu services no there are no incomes to even purchase your services because every business be a adverse nipa na oye business has either shut down and has reduced production and the profit income na no onya no eswati oye dem be advert until your services are muton no you are not selling it as much as you did before COVID-19
that's true.
And it also affects your profits and more profits so na more TTB editriakane and so on and so forth until it is reasonable say sebi ye be amount for be edi multimedia is over 100 workers until it is like adi and unemployment nebeba at the lower output nebeba and our GDP growth is going to be in some cases they are going to record negative growth and individual income so a democracy they have no incomes anymore until I say about what we can do first to deal with COVID-19 no and after COVID-19 to ensure say young kodu pempenso a ebe hardly because recovery is not an easy journey we try recession more recovery is always very painful and it's better you take precautionary measures and shall I say preemptive measures there are in one of the addresses of the president said there are going to be cuts in interest rates which means Aban is trying to help businesses to borrow
to survive
and no na betima economic activity as bounce back and as omodibema SMEs but you need to come clear to Ghanaians on the target and the distribution mechanism say enyo biana say this as kanmano there should be some targeted areas say where the economy a be boost economic activity now near all qualified to access the kanini it should be transparent so that as many Ghanaians as possible from relevant sectors can access you can say facility na aban edi abano chairman me pese me di we maybe
Peace FM 104.3 good to meet